However, talking about time involves more than the number on the clock. Being able to ask questions and talk about time is fundamental to speak any language. And that's also true if you are a beginner learning English. So instead of simply saying the number that you see on the clock, you can sound like a native by using the same phrases and terms that most English speakers learn to talk about the time of day. Number may tell you exact time. However, many people will talk about the general time of day instead of being specific. Here are words that you may hear and use when the exact time is not very important. Noon. Noon means 12 p.m. at the very beginning of the afternoon. What time are we meeting this weekend? Around noon, so we can sleep in. Midday. This sometimes means the same thing as noon because noon is in the middle of the day. Midday can also be any time between 11 am and 12 pm. This is basically when people begin and finish eating lunch, meaning the middle of the day. It is supposed to be very hot and sunny today at midday. Afternoon, because this phrase means afternoon passes. It is really versatile. This can be any time between noon 12 pm and before the sunset, usually around 6 pm. If you do not live on the equator, the time of the sunset is also changing with the season. Sunset might be at 4 pm in the winter and 9 pm in the summer. This means that afternoon can be shorter or longer depending on the season. I am busy all afternoon, so let's have dinner together tonight. Midnight. Midnight means the middle of the night. However, now many people use it to mean 12 in the morning, 12 am, when the next day begins. The phrase midnight hour refers to any time between 12 am and 3 in the morning, 3 am. People kiss on New Year Eve at midnight. Twilight. Twilight may just be a popular book and movie series to some people. However, twilight is actually the time when the sun is barely, very slightly or very little, lighting up the sky. This is usually right before the sunrise on right after the sunset and when the new day is starting and the sky has a blue or purple tint slight color. I love the way that the tree look at twilight, sunset and sunrise. When the sun is setting going down or rising going up, you can call this time sunset and sunrise. Sunset is right before twilight when the sky start to turn pink and orange, but it's not dark yet. Sunrise happen when the sun start to come up in the morning. After morning, twilight happen and has the same orange and pink color as sunset. Let's climb the mountain before sunrise so we can watch the sun come up. I wonder rather live in the afternoon and watch the sunset. After dark, the time of day that is after dark is usually between 9 at night and 1 in the morning or even later. It can also be a phrase for when nightlife starts in a city and people go out to drink or dance when the sun has set completely. A good way to remember this time is that if some people are asleep or going to sleep soon, it is after dark. Have you ever been to LA after dark? No, but I hear that it's get crazy. The crack of dawn. The actual time for the crack of dawn is when you first start seeing light in the sky, but the sun is not visible yet. People often use this term for waking up before the sun or just very early, around 4 and 6 in the morning. If we want to beat the traffic tomorrow, we will need to wake up at the crack of dawn. Say the hour. When you tell the time in English, the hour always comes first. If you look at the clock and see it is 3 pm, then you can say it is 3 or the time is 3 o'clock. It is the simple. Remember that when you are talking about just the hour and no minute, then you will often use o'clock. Use o'clock. O'clock is shortened from an older phrase means of the clock, and it's sometime that you can say after you tell what hour it is. However, you only use this when telling the hour. If you need to include minute, then you cannot say o'clock. Sir, do you know what time it is now? It is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Know about morning, afternoon, evening and night. There are only 12 hours written on a clock in any part of English speaking world. This may be true in the region where you live too. This is a very common system for telling time. However, that means it will be 6 twice every day. Once in the morning, once in the night time. So how do you talk about 6 in the morning and 6 at night? For example, morning from 12 am to 12 pm. 1 am, it is 1 in the morning. 6 a.m. it is 6 in the morning. 11 a.m. it is 11 in the morning. Afternoon from 12 p.m. to sunset. 1 p.m. it is 1 in the afternoon. 3 p.m. it is 3 in the afternoon. 4 p.m. it is 4 in the afternoon. Evening from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 6 p.m. it is 6 in the evening. 8 p.m. it is 8 in the evening. Night from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Use a.m. and p.m. When you say something is at 6 o'clock, you should let the person know if you means a.m. morning or p.m. night. These words are abbreviation from the Latin term ante meridiem and post meridiem, which means before midday and after midday. I think I oversleep. What time it is now? It's 12:30. 12:30 a.m. or p.m. 12:30 p.m.